Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to make enchilada lasagna. It's the easiest thing to do. All you need is a box of enchilada kit. That's what you need. I buy the big family size, and if I have to buy them just the normal kit, like £3, so I'll wait till they're on offer. And I get the kit usually from Aldi, and it's the proper enchilada stuff, so don't panic like as if it's inferior, because it's not. So what I get is, I've shown you before, these tins I buy from Quid Shop because they're cheap. So everything's ready. You get all these with it, and these are what I'm going to use, the actual enchiladas. So, and I use lasagna sauce, Aldi, lasagna white sauce, Aldi, and what I have done is I've already prepared everything, and in here what I've got another dish full is what I've used all together. I think it was 3 bags of the Aldi Aberdeen Angus mince. I put peppers in, mixed different peppers, red, orange, yellow peppers. I put garlic in, I put mushrooms in, whatever you can get in it, you put in it. Don't be afraid to do that. Mushrooms are in it. I put the sauce in it, but that's extra sauce if I want to sauce it up a bit more. Simple. Oh, and I use buffalo mozzarella, and I get that from Aldi as well. All that I'm using is all from the Aldi. Okay, so don't worry about that. Right then, I might need another extra sauce. Might do. I might have stuff over, so you never know. So what I do is get my trays, a bit of white sauce at bottom. You don't have to put a lot. I don't particularly like a lot of white sauce at the bottom of mine. Well, in mine. You just spread it on bottom, and you can even do this in the like takeaway, but you have to, I don't know, curries in or rice in. You can do it that way, but you'd have to cut your enchiladas in half so they'd fit. Alright, and then what I do is put one of these in, just put it at the bottom. It don't fit properly, but when it's all together, nobody's going to know, have they? So just spread it about a bit, best you can. I've just took this out of the fridge, so it is cold. It is better when it's a bit warm. I should say warmer. Alright, I just pile it in me. Alright, then I put it in a bit of tin foil, so I've already cut it all up. And then I just it's better is the buffalo mozzarella. If you can get it out of the packet, drain it, cut it all up, put it on kitchen foil, paper, and let it dry out a little bit. Alright, then get a bit more sauce, just whack it in. Now I know this sauce, because it's a bit dry at the minute, because obviously it's been in the fridge and it solidifies and all that lot. I might need a bit more saucy sauce. Alright, so you just keep going. You can put grated cheese in if you prefer grated cheese. You can certainly do that. But I ain't grated any, because I couldn't be bothered really. But you can, because I've got this mozzarella, I didn't bother. So that is there, bit of sauce, bit of the white sauce, and I just dab and dab it. You can put in as much, less, as you want. Alright. And you just keep going. Squish it down a bit. Just keep squishing it down a bit. And this is when I'm going to put, oh my hands. And I put sauce down the sides. This is how I do it. You can do it however you want to do it. Alright. Then I put another layer on. So altogether I put, what? 3 layers? 4 layers? It's entirely up to you and how thick you want your lasagna. So I'll put a bit more cheese on. And I just usually have this way, maybe garlic bread, or side salad, up to you. And then I put another layer on. And this time I'm just going to put white sauce on. It looks a mess. Like all else, innit? Like lasagnas, they do look a mess. But it won't do. Just make sure you cover enchilada with saucy sauce. Yeah, you can break an enchilada up and put it in corners, this and other bit. I don't bother and it always comes out alright. Alright, that's that. And then I get mozzarella. Like so. And I'm going to actually have this one today. Put as much on as you want. Entirely up to you. Like so, right? So what I'll do it is, I'll do it like as if I'm going to freeze it. Okay, so to freeze it you will need your cling film. Right. Put it on. Make sure you tighten it up a little bit. Then you get your tin foil. Now everything I'm using today you can get it from Aldi or any other supermarket. Depends where you shop, you might not shop there. But like that. And I usually write on it what it is and the date I've done it and put it in freezer. So I'll quickly do another one. And like I've got, this is my dish and I've filled that right at the top. I've already took some out, filled it right at the top. Whatever you've got left, put it in a freezer bag and you can freeze it for next time you get enchiladas. I couldn't open it then. I've gone weak at the knees. Bit of sauce at the bottom. Whatever I've got left, if you've got any enchiladas left, you can certainly do. What I usually do is if I've got any of these left, sauce it middle, roll it up and put it in them containers what you get for like takeaways. That is what I do. Alright. And then you've got another meal there, so you know, if you don't want to put this in freezer, because you don't have to put it in freezer if you don't want to put it in freezer. That is, it's entirely up to you. But that's how I do it. You see, you know, it's not being lazy, it's just that you're thinking ahead. That's all it is, you're thinking ahead, thinking. You know, I always think like, what if I'm poorly one day? I can't, you know, I'm in bed and I can't get up to make him some dinner. I've got that. So I've only got a bit of that for the sink. I will have some of this left, I assure you. Don't want to put too much on because it's bit of Susie salt, Percy pepper. Remember that? I'll get a bit more sauce. It's up to you how much you want to put on. Okay. So I think what I'm gonna do is make a couple of more enchiladas. You know, ones what you don't wrap in. I do have more butter or mozzarella, but I'm not opening it. So I'll keep going, just keep going, filling it up, squeezing it down. Like that. All depends, you know, if you don't like right thick stuff, you don't put as many layers in. You know, you don't have to do what I'm doing. But I do like enchiladas, however you want to say it. I do like it. And your sauce will spread. So I don't like I do not like loads of white sauce. I really can't cope with it. It's not bad on top. But nah. Can't be doing that. Just make sure everything's tucked in. Spread it about like you do. In mozzarella. Now break it into pieces. You don't have to have it in big chunks. I don't like it in big chunks. And he's got no choice. I'll put it in smaller chunks. And you do the same again with wrapping. Cling film. Then tin foil. Because tin foil breaks down in freezer. So if you've made anything ever and you've just put cling film around it, you've no chance. So just cling film them up. Like so. Tin foil, write down what you've made. Now write on it, date it. So that's 2. So now I've got this left. Alright. Let me see how many I've got left. 2. I could do 2. Just a minute. Let me get me doobity-doos. Do I not have any else? No. Right. This is what I buy. I buy them. 6-pack. Buy. Oh, hecky thump. I just put my finger then. You can buy them 6-pack from Home Bargains, B&M's. Right, this is all I do. Oh, hecky thump, that hurt. Get me enchilada. Like so. Wrap it up. put it in tin foil. Entirely up to you how much you put in. I've noticed if you don't too thick, try and hurry up because your finger's going to bleed. Right, I only need one more. You can put white sauce in, but I'll use that white sauce for something else. Just wrap them up. And serve them with guacamole and all that shebang. Or you can actually get them tortillas, not tortillas, flatbread things, right? And rub garlic on it and put it in the oven for it to toast. Because I ain't got much sauce, and I just go over the top with this sauce, as much or as less as you want. I'm going to use a jar because what else am I going to use it for? That's that. I could scrape it out if I want to be tight. I can't be bothered. And then you can put mozzarella on it now, or you can put the mozzarella on the day of when you get it out of the freezer, right? All this crap. So that's that. With these tin foil things you get a lid. This bit goes downwards. Alright. And then what I do is put sides in. Up top. Sides in. Sides in, sides in. So I suggest you put your mozzarella and all that lot on afterwards. So that little bit left, you know, I do put it in a little freezer bag, and then when we're having, you know, enchiladas or lasagna, excuse me, lasagna, I get that out and just put it on the side. You know, there's no need for you to waste it at all. So hope you like that little bit of thing on how I make my enchilada. Oh, enchilada lasagna. So thanks for coming, guys. Really do appreciate it. Give us a like, and you might see me again in another cooking video. So see you later, guys. Bye.